Welcome back. Now, when we are working with a document, there are going to be times when we may need to see 2 or 3 different areas of our document at the same time in order to do proper edit or in order to add to our content. And we can accomplish this with the Windows tab. So for example, if we were to click the new Windows link, you're now going to notice 2 of the very same document. You'll see that one is labeled 1 here at the top. The other one is labeled the number 2. So if we were to go to the first document and we were to type in a change, and we were to change this text, add it in, and then bold it, and we're going to underline it just for good measure, so that now we have this text inside of our first paragraph. If we were to go to the second linked document and we were to open it, you'll find that we have that very same text in the very same place in the linked document. So we can continue to work with the documents, and yet at the same time we can look at other areas of the document. Here's document 1. If we look again at document 2, you'll see the very same thing happening here. Now, another way to work with your documents would be to split the document. And so what we can do is we can click this split button. And you're going to notice then that our document is going to be split into pieces, and they're going to move independently of each other. So we can look at 2 places in the document at the same time so that we'll know exactly what we're working on. And we'll be able to reference other things that we have written without having to switch back and forth between the pages. So this makes it easy for us to work on our documents and reference the right things in them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.